Hello guys, so today I'm going to post another gardening related video. You can see right now I'm in front of my plants, my gardens. This is the pot where I had planted these capsicum seeds. So they grew, like I planted them for like how many days? I think after 5 days it started growing those capsicum plants. The only problem was I was not sure, like, will they grow in this desert. This is UAE, United Arab Emirates, is desert, so I was not sure, like, will they grow. Weather is not good, it's always hot, but looks like they grow well. There are lots of them, so I need to probably move them in different, but I already did. I moved them to a separate pot. Here you can see I planted 4 separately. I basically pulled them out from that place. You can see the soils are basically moved, right? So I moved them from that place, this place, and then to that place, and looks like they are also growing well. Okay, so hopefully I will have a pretty good harvest soon.